Konnichiwa, it's Kana. Today I'm gonna make a teriyaki chicken. It's actually super easy, like you can cook within 10 minutes and super delicious, as you might know. I have eaten teriyaki chicken 1 or 2 times here in the United States. It was yum, but that teriyaki sauce was not thick enough for me. As a Japanese, teriyaki sauce should be thick. If you haven't tried this yet yourself at your home, you must try it with this video because I'm gonna use every ingredient that I bought here in the United States, and you can also buy them by clicking on the link in the information box below. So check it out. Alright, let's get started. Prepare chicken thigh meat, which is around 9 ounces. Put them into a plastic bag. Put a little salt and pepper like this. And I recommend you to use a bigger plastic bag than mine. You will know the reason later. Put cornstarch into the bag to coat the chicken lightly. You can eyeball it. And shake it. And shake it. Shake it. After opening the bag, if they are not covered completely, you can coat the chicken with cornstarch again by hands. This is why you should use a bigger plastic bag so that you can keep your hands clean. Anyway, it's okay if the chickens are coated like this. Let's move on to make teriyaki sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sake. You can replace sake for white wine. 2 tablespoons of mirin, which is sweet sake, but you can also replace it for 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's it. Mix it. Alright, start cook chicken. Pour around 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. I'm using a vegetable oil. And put the chicken with skin side down. Cook on medium heat until lightly browned and crisp. Like this, and flip them. Wipe off excess oil with kitchen towel. Pour the sauce into the pan and stir. It's okay still on medium heat, but just be careful for the sauce not be scorched. Looks nice. When chickens are cooked and the sauce becomes like this, it's time to eat. Look at this shiny glazed sauce. And chickens are very soft and juicy thanks to cornstarch.
いただきます。おいしい。
ごちそうさまでした。It was super delicious and it was cooked easily, right? Isn't it? As I said, you can replace mirin to sugar and sake to white wine, but you can get them easily thanks to technology. It's not that expensive compared to paying Japanese restaurant.
That is super overpriced for me.
But but I can't live here without them because I need to eat sushi. If you're gonna cook some more Japanese dishes, I strongly recommend you to buy them, because if you have soy sauce, mirin, sake that I use today, you can cook most of Japanese food with them. I think I use them like every day to cook Japanese food at home. Teriyaki sauce is good with other meat and fish as well, so try real teriyaki taste. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipe like today. So I hope see you in my next video. Bye.